Hello, today I am back with part 2 of How to Make Your Robot Arm. This is the building stage of the app. So hopefully today we'll be able to actually complete it, and I'll be able to show you it on my phone. So yeah, let's go straight into this. So we left off from here, so let's carry on. So hopefully you haven't forgot anything. Where is it? There we go. I've got to refresh myself. Okay. I don't know what happened there. That usually happens if you've not been on for a while. So I'm just gonna pause it and then get back straight in. All right, and I'm back. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened. But just do this again. So set label text 2. This will change where you've slid it along the slider. So because it's slider, you have to go down round, wherever that is. Yep, there it is. Round, and you go all the way down to slider 1 position. Slider 1 thumb position, there it is. And then go to Bluetooth client. 7 bytes. This can depend on the amount of servos you are controlling. But just for this one servo, I'll just stick with 1 byte. So, sorry about that. It's flying on my shitty computer. Anyway, so hold on a sec. No, this is right. This is right. And then you duplicate this. Like so. So that's this slider done. Now we need to work on the 3 buttons. So button 1. I usually copy and paste them. So this is quite should be an easy bit. So to change the text, when button 1 click, set label to so button 1, as I'll show you right now, is open. So depending on what angle the servo is in, it'll have to be 0 or 180, because when it spins, it'll open the claw, and when it spins 180 degrees again, it'll close it. And if it goes like halfway, say 90, or like have it like that. But if you have it on the slide, it will go like so. So we'll just change that for now to 0. I'll have to remind myself to position it at 0 degrees at the start. It should be, but you know, things happen, and you know. So in the Bluetooth client, send 1 byte number. Basically, where this sends the byte to is the Bluetooth module, which will be connected to the Arduino, and it receives it, and it cooperates with the Arduino code to basically turn the servo. So that's that. So 0, duplicate, and basically what you want to do is for each button, just do that. So button 2, I think is semi-open. Yep, semi-open. So that's going to be 90 degrees. So we'll put in 90. Oh, hello. 90. 90. And then we'll change this to button 2. What I love about MIT App Inventor is that it has these like red things here and here. So you know when you've gone wrong, and you know. So change that to button 2. Copy and paste this, just like so. Scroll down. Oh yeah, if you've got any questions on this, put it in the comment section, and I'll happy to help. And that's basically the code for MIT, App Inventor. Now what we need to do is make the code for the Arduino. So if you have not done that yet, you want to go onto the Arduino website. Oh, yeah. I always get that typo wrong. So you want to go into the Arduino website. Oh, no, that's that. Sorry. Arduino download. Oh. There we go. You'll have to download the Arduino software. It's trustworthy. There's no nothing bad. And what it'll have here is all these. And what you want to click is Windows installer, and then just carry it on from there. And what you'll end up with is something in the folder. It doesn't come up for me. It's just come up as Arduino EXE, which is fine and is movable. So you know, just for now, I'll just put it there, and then you're gonna open the software, just like so. Okay. Bundled. Oh, I see. So let's get rid of this. No, don't do what I just did. I do not know what I'm doing, apparently. So just type in, not debug. What's going on? Alright! Lucky for you, I'm actually going to install it again. Alright, so I just had technical difficulty with things, so I'm actually going to show you how to install it. Just never mind, this is how to install it. So you click Windows Installer, it'll bring up this donate page. So if you like their software and you know the Arduino board, you can download them, contribute, and download. But for now, I'm just gonna download. So at the bottom, you won't be able to see it, but it says Arduino blah 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 exe. I'll click that. Wait for it to download. This may take 10 minutes. It may take an hour. So just be patient. It's worth it. So I'll see you once it's downloaded. Alright, so I've done it, and what should happen is it comes up, do you want to run this file? You click yes. That was not a dab. You agree, you can read it if you are, but I don't think there's anything too put it that way. I agree. Just click all of them, and they should be pre-clicked. You can browse where you want to put it. Program files, Arduino. Space required. Megabytes, gigabytes. So I've got enough So you just wait for it to extract. And then, yeah, so I wanted to talk a bit, so while it's loading, I want to talk a bit about the actual Arduino, what it looks like, and, so this project is quite costly. You can get the Arduino book, which is about £25, depending on where you get it. I'll show you it right now. This is the book. Shout out to Arduino. It's got loads of great tutorials and things like that in. It's got how to make a football robot, a motion buzzer, loads of great things. It even shows you how to make an app, not using MIT, but I think using Visual Studio, which is similar to this. The code is a lot different to MIT, but I think it's the same principle. It's an app, it does your job, blah blah blah, and the actual Arduino itself. The actual Arduino itself will come in a box, just like this. I've got the Arduino Uno. I think it's the R3, and basically mine came in like this nice transparent case. I'm not sure if you can see that, but most of them don't. That's all that came. So I'm gonna have to get a lead for it, which can be blue or black, and it varies in price depending on how long you want it. So that's where you put the plug into from the Arduino to the computer, and that's the charging port. But you can change it. So as you can see, Arduino Uno. Yeah, as I said, I think it's the R3. It runs on 5 volts. So if you are gonna power it, don't heat it up with 9 volts. That's also something to relate to. If you're ever gonna use something like this, like a chip, make sure you don't heat it up. If you're gonna put a power source in, check the Arduino. Don't just leave it. Check it's not heating up, because if you burn the chip, that's 20 quid down the drain. So yeah, and it has various things here, like the ground wire where that goes in, and various different pins, which I'll explain in a sec. It's got a reset button. It's very neat. You can get you can make Lego cases and amazing things like that with it. So I definitely recommend it. Yeah. So it's a brilliant chip, and it's got this thing in the middle, which is, I'm not sure what chip it is. You can actually take it out. I'm not gonna, because I'm scared and more. Anyway, so this thing hasn't downloaded, but so I'm gonna pause it here so I don't go over the 15-minute limit. So, oh, hello. Good timing. Install. I've only got 1 minute to. Yes, please. Alright, so I think you can get the book at Maplin. I'm pretty sure you can get it in the stores, so if you pass them and you want this, then there it is. You can definitely get it on eBay. You can definitely get it on Amazon. That's where I got it from. I think it was about 20 quid. Close. Right, let's get back to, where is it? Projects. Debug exe. I don't know why it changed into a debug. Arduino Builder? Who knows? Who knows? Anyway. I'll pause it and I'll get the program up, and then, yeah. I've only got like a couple of seconds, so I'm going to talk really quick and I'm going to show it really quick. I've already wrote the code, so if you just pause the video and check a look at it, there's also a bit down